Hello and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. If you like what you see, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive future updates. Technology giant IBM is planning to cut quite a number of jobs. This is the first major workforce restructuring under the company's new CEO Arvind Krishna. Though Big Blue has not shared any details of the layoffs, but we have done some analysis and we will share the details based on that analysis and information from our sources. So please watch out the video till the end to gain complete insight. If you want to get into product based companies, we have a special masterclass program management training going on for you. This training is especially designed for the people who are working in service based companies in mid management and also the project and program managers working in product based companies who want to excel their skills. This is a comprehensive masterclass training which will enable you to crack the job interview in product based organization for a program manager or a technical program manager role and will also make you job ready. We would highly recommend you to go in the description and contact us now for free consultation. This program management masterclass will enable you to work as PM or TPM and will also enable you to ace the interview. So IBM has started firing thousands of employees to save costs and to maintain their profits. As per our reports, entire teams working on enterprise cloud, artificial intelligence, and even teams working for Watson, their supercomputer has been terminated. So where are the employees being fired? The majority of the layoffs are happening across Pennsylvania, California, Missouri, and New York state. Now, what will be the number of layoffs? So, the layoffs are going to be in thousands and could be around 5,000 or more. IBM's India operation too may see a few hundred job cuts. So, who will be the people who will be most impacted? Once again, mid level executives, including project managers and above, may be impacted the most. On the freshers side, there should not be any major impact on their offers. What could happen is that their joining could be delayed. So freshers doesn't have to worry. The X is going to be on mid managers, which are project managers and above. So IBM has around 350,000 employees and is planning to do the layoffs and have already done some of the layoffs. What do you guys think? Are you the one who has been impacted? Do let us know in the comment section. IBM has also said that employees can reskill and rejoin. So the employees have the opportunity to rejoin in positions wherever roles are available. Employees can reskill and compete for these positions. Also during this layoff, the designation, experience and skill sets have not been considered. Employees who have been working with IBM for the last 20 years have been asked to leave. So historical employment ratings, age and seniority did not seem to matter. During the Q1 of 2020, IBM's revenue was $17.57 billion compared to $18.18 billion in Q1 of 2019. So in the last 32 quarters, IBM's revenue have fallen gradually except 4 quarters. So friends, what do you think about this video? Do let us know if anyone you know have been impacted by these layoffs in the comment section. Friends, if you are unaware of our book, How to Be Invincible During Layoffs, and haven't read it yet, then this message is for you. How to Be Invincible During Layoffs is a complete guide to enable you to win under any types of terminations. From this book, you will be able to understand the indicators and signs of any types of layoffs. And once you understand these signs, this book contains the actions which you need to take. We have talked about how you can prevent layoffs and what you need to do once you see the indicators which are mentioned in this book. So this book talks about what could lead to layoff, and then we have also talked about in case if the layoff happens, what to do during layoff. How should you negotiate the best proposal out there? And don't leave any money on the table. There are various types of layoffs. In this book, you will find specific strategies to get the best out of your organization against various types of layoffs. So we highly recommend you to go ahead and buy the book right now. You will find the Amazon link of this book in the description. We wish and hope that we come out of the current difficult times soon. Thank you for watching and best of luck in what you are doing now or what you would like to do. Friends, we have launched our new book with the title Cracking the Job Interview. This book can convert your rejection to success at job interviews. The book will benefit any present or future job seekers across any industry and domain. The book is available across all countries on Amazon. Also, you can read this book for free by subscribing to Kindle Unlimited trial. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you once again.